Right, so how to do cop trading in XM. Okay, so first, of course, create muna kayo ng account with XM. Diyan na yung link yan sa may bio natin or sa may description box below. And also, once you were able to log in and create an account, just look for this copy icon. Okay, you will see it here at the side. So we are using desktop or laptop, by the way. So iba yung interface kapag mobile. So here, once you're able to click this, just need to create an investor account. Usually nandiyan yan sa taas, sa top left corner. Okay? So, yun lang. Check lang din muna natin yung nakita ko kanina, yung mga copy trading ni Marvin Favis, no? So, check natin. Ayan. Search nyo lang. Ayan, dalawa. So, first, ito nga. Meron siyang supervised algo. Ibig sabihin, AI, no? And total invested $106,000. Very, very big account ito. And sabi niya nga, documentation part pa lang to. And it started last March. So for a documentation part, this is very big already. And it's a really good job, no? Investors 105 and fees very low, no? Talagang ang baba, no? Parang pamigay. And yun yung nakakatuwa din sa ano na to, sa AI na to, no? So, check lang natin yung portfolio. Okay, by the way, sa risk muna tayo. It's on a very low scale. Yung risk score niya, low risk, no? Ganda. Max dollar 43, which is high for a strategy. But of course, this is scalping, probably this hedging strategy. And if it works, then 27% is really good pa rin, no? $1 average per trade on a winning side, lose per trade is 9. So why is that? And it's still performing well. So probably because yung average loss per trade is minsanan lang, but there's a lot of 1.91 with trades. So that's how you uh, read it. Okay, it's on a very high risk trading frequency. Of course, it's algo and scalping. No, as you can see here, and check nyo yung date. Yan. Medyo marami, no, for a day. And kasi nga algo and scalping, right? So yan yung ano yan. So yung kanina average trade on a win is 1.91. Makita nyo kasi nga marami. And yung loss is minsanan lang. Kaya tumataas. Okay? Na-average lang. And as you can see, the profits covers the losses. Okay? So napakaraming wins. Ayan, close trades to ha. Okay? Napakaraming wins for a loss. And at the end of the day, what matters is yung performance, which is 27%. Okay? And what I like about this strategy is that it's asking for a very low fee, 15% lang. And so check natin further. There's enough evidence here. So ito, started March and walang masyadong data, no? April, 27%, so nag-gain ka na. And by May, nag-negative. So before you have that loss, nag-gain ka na if you were able to start here. Okay? And if you're able to start here at May, kung nag-hold ka lang ng konti, of course, meron kang 34 and nabawi mo na, sobra pa. Alright? And currently running at 3.84%, which is good, no? Okay, still loading. Yan. So, I would say if I'm going to give it a try, no, I will give it at least 30 to 40% of my portfolio. Okay, kasi yun nga, low drawdown, yung monthly return niya is stable, no? And also the fees, very low. Okay? Meron pa isa dito eh. Ito. Yan. Kanya rin to. Kay Marvin Favis din, no? 9,000 lang yung invested. And the fees is around 25. Okay? Pero ito, check natin, no? yung risk. Yung risk is higher, but the max drawdown is lower. Okay, if you want to have a more secured portfolio, I would go for this. And again, the same thing, no? Average loss is higher than average rate. But if you have a lot of winning trades na 5.22 that covers this, is okay. Okay, you don't really need to mind that. And so there's a lot of profits here, and yeah, may 53, but I would say it's covered. Oh, tingnan niyo naman, no? Ayan. Okay, so meron din namang mga malalaki dito with very low. So you just need to also review. So it doesn't mean na nagka-copy ka is magiging passive ka na. It's more on active managing your portfolio. And yun nga, diversify pa rin. If you're going to copy here, you need to at least give it a try somewhere else. Okay? So aside from uh, copying kay Marvin Favis, which is maganda nga yung performance ng kanyang mga supervised algo, you can also look for others as well. Okay? So, like this, low drawdown with 20% fee, okay din, no? And as you can see, own funds is 3,500, which is malaki rin. It means na invested siya and he's really taking care of his own account and strategy kasi invested siya. Wala namang papatalo ng ganyan kalaki, di ba? If you are looking at 100 200 dollars na account own funds, then medyo magtaka ka, di ba? So ito low drawdown 2%, no? Pero malaki lang yung fee. Pero if you're going to be secured, pwede na rin. Alright? So there's a lot of options here sa XM. And you can also try yung mga nireview natin kanina. Uh, and again, active managing, diversification, yun yung mga kailangan natin gawin when it comes to copy trading. Alright, so it doesn't mean, again, doesn't mean na nagka-copy ka, you're going to be passive about it and set and forget ka. So, yun lang sa copy trading on how we can do copy trading here sa XM. And if you want to start copy trading with XM, nandiyan lang yung link niya sa bio natin. And if you want to learn more or ask me anything about forex trading, trade on your own, so we have trade ideas, trade signals sa Telegram community natin. So, nandiyan din yung link niya. See you there.